Hello, welcome to Bloodshed Restorations. My name's Alex, and today I will be restoring a screwdriver. So what we've got here is, it's a Miller's Falls ratcheting screwdriver. This came in a job lot of tools I bought recently, so I'll just crack on with the strip down. The wooden handle is really reluctant to come off at the moment, just years and years of being fixed in place, so I'm coming up with an alternate solution. So what is happening here is I put some electrical tape around the very end bit to try and give it as much protection as possible, and hopefully I've got a bit of movement. With a little bit of care and perseverance, it's all come apart now, which is good because I do want to use this on a regular basis. I like this screwdriver, just something about it really appeals to me. The blade on the end as well is pretty wonky. One part is thinner than the other, so we'll have to address that as well. So the next thing will be to take the ratcheting mechanism apart. I'll give it a quick spray down. That's nice and easy. That's everything completed and ready to go back together. I've put the selector mechanisms in after a quick clean up and given it a good grease in there. The blade itself has been given a couple of coats of gum blue as well, so I'll just give that a quick oiling up, just give it a bit of protection. As you can see, or hear, it's a lot smoother than it was. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll catch you on the next one.